Hello, my name is Austin. I'm a part of Team Cyborg Lightning, and today I'll be showcasing our social media application, Companion for Me. We have a very simple login page here, which we can either log into or register with. There's also a forgotten password feature. This will allow you to send your password to a previously registered email address. So to start off, I will register as a new account. There are a number of avatars to choose from. This will suit most people's needs. We do not allow the user to upload their own avatar, as this may cause inappropriate avatars to be populating our servers. So I'm going to choose this one. And then I'll enter in all of my account details, such as my first name, my last name, and my email address. And you also have to confirm your email address. This is to prevent silly typos from getting created in the wrong accounts. And then a password of 6 to 8 characters. So we'll do South Park and just retype it. And here you select your level of education. This will allow other users to search for you if they say they want to search for other people who also have undergraduate degrees or masterate degrees or doctorate degrees. So we're going to go with undergraduate degree, and here you enter in your date of birth. Now we have this widget that pops up. This allows you to very easily select the year that you were born as well as the month that you were born. So let's go with 1990 and March 8th. And then you just hit OK, and then it puts in the date for you. You can also choose to be male or female, so we'll choose male. And then you hit this button in the top right to finish registration. And apparently I have a password mismatch. So let me just try retyping in my password. This is a feature so that you never mistype your password or email address. Let's try again, register. Great, now it'll take me to my profile page. Now, all of this information is stored server-side, so if you lost your phone or your phone suddenly combusted at this point, all of your data would be saved to our server, and you would just log in with your same user account details, and all your information would be safe and sound. We have the ability to add interests. This will allow other users to find you by your interests, so if another user wants to find other users who likes, say, anime, then you'll pop up. So let's type in anime and hit save. So this added anime to my list of interests. This is also stored server-side, so you don't need to worry about losing your phone or anything like that. If you want to enter in multiple values at the same time, you can just type in them with a comma in between them. So say I like dogs and cats and parties. So I can just add these with a comma in between them, and then all of them will be added at the same time. So just add interests. Now if I want to remove an interest, I can type in the interest and then click delete interest. That will remove it, and all of these changes are being stored database side as well. I can also have the option of holding down and then deleting this interest by just the list, so I don't have to type it in at all, which is quite handy. Now, by default, my latitude and longitude, which is my location, is set to 0. This is for privacy purposes and to make searching by location optional. So if I don't want either the server or anyone else knowing my general latitude or longitude, they won't. We chose not to use GPS because it is quite accurate and it might be a privacy concern for many people. So instead we allow people to enter in a general postcode or city, and it will get a general latitude and longitude for them. And if you want to enter or you want to edit any information displayed here, you can click this button in the top left. This has a neat animation of a swing down animation. We chose to use that just to be a bit different and get away from the accepted norms, if you will. And you would click Edit Profile. This will allow you to change any information about yourself, any sort of thing like that. I'll be showcasing the location though. So in the location bar, I will type in SE1. That is the first half of my postcode, and this should get a general latitude and longitude for me. I can also choose to change my gender, change my education status. So let's say I got my master's degree, I can update that here. And then as soon as I hit done, this will be synchronized to the server so that all of the information is backed up and everything's great. We also have an About Us here for anyone who wishes to know more about our development team or anything like that. So they can click this and it will load up a small box of text for about all of us. We also can see that all of our information was now updated. Our education level is now master's, and we have a latitude and longitude. Also, we do have the functionality to call other users if you want to register with our free SIP provider. This will allow you to call other people without running up your phone bill or anything like that over Wi-Fi. You do, however, need to register online, which is fairly quick and easy to do. You just enter in your same email and password, and you're all ready to go. So, unfortunately, I cannot demonstrate this on these two emulators since they don't have microphones. So instead, I will just click the back button and go back to my profile. I will now demonstrate searching. So I'll go to the search tab, and I can either type in or use any of these filters, or I can just choose not to if I'm having trouble finding people. So let's find people who like anime. I'll hit search now, and that'll find me a list of users. Now I can also search near me within a certain radius if I want to find people who may potentially want to meet up or just talk about local issues as well. I can hit search now, and that'll find people who are within 50 kilometers of my general location who like anime. Now, let's demonstrate taking off both filters to find everyone, and let's try to find the user who I will log into on the phone to the left. So let's try to find a user called Randy. Here he is. So if I want to chat with Randy or Lewis or Johnny, I can just click them, and then they will have a chat request which is sent to them. So let's send a chat request to Randy. Now he disappears from this list, and he is now going to be stored in the Matches tab. Now if I go to the Matches tab, I can see that my chat request is pending. I can cancel the request if I so choose, and then he'll start appearing in the searches again. So let's just demonstrate this real quick by typing in our user info here, our password, and logging in as Randy. So now I'm logged in as Randy right now. My lat lon is 0. My date of birth is 1945. All the information is now different, and the user avatars match. And all this information is still stored on the database as well. So if I go to my matches, I can see that Randy has sent me a chat request. So if I hit accept, now I'm in a chat with Randy, and all of this information is now stored server, and I got a push notification from the server, so now I'm not waiting for his chat request anymore. So let's enter into this chat room, and we can send some instant messengers between each other. So let's say hi, it'll appear instantly over here. So as you can see, both of the messages appear virtually instantly, and they also have a timestamp and the person's name, so you never get confused. We chose not to show when a user sent a message or read a message rather than sent. We chose to show when they sent the message, but not when they read the message for privacy concerns. This was a design choice, and now let's demonstrate the ability to add to friends list. So if I really like this Randy, I'm gonna add him to my friends list. I'll go back. I'll see that he is on my friends list with his latest message and the timestamp as well. So that allows you to easily filter through the rest of your matches that you may have. I don't have any right now, but yeah. So if you want to unfriend someone, you just click this little minus friend button, and then they're removed and put back into your matches tab. So he should appear, yep, he's in my matches tab right now. So now if I click him again, there is also the feature to hide a chat. So if I don't want this chat appearing in my chat room anymore, I can just hide the chat. And now the chat is hidden from my matches and my friends. But if I receive another message, say a new message, then it will be parsed to the server. So I can see Randy accept, and I'll need to accept his chat request again to see his messages. So I'll just hit accept, and I'll see all our previous messages again. You can also block someone, so say I don't like Randy anymore. I can just click his profile, and I can hit the block button. Now this will prevent me or him from appearing in any of our searches between ourselves, so if I hit search now, I won't see Randy here anymore. Also, if Randy then sends me a bunch of other texts, like, I miss you, I will get no notifications or chat requests or anything like that. So that allows you to completely block someone, and I should also be able to see him on my blocked list. View blocked users, Randy. And if I want to, I can remove him from my blocked users. And now I can see his chat requests again. So let me go ahead and send you another message. And now Randy appears again.